Hey guys, so we're out here in the garage. It's 17, 18, 19 degrees. You see, I just bought myself a little, where is it, little heater. It's one of these, stick on the top propane deals. So we're going to see if we can get, I got a new gasket for the outer primary cover. This one's a reusable. Spend the $30 and get the Cometic gasket. You'll thank me. So I got that. And that was really the big thing I wanted to do today, was try and get this clutch working again. So, all right, we'll see you guys in a minute. Hang on. All right, everybody, let's see if we can get this cover off here. Oh, you know what? Let me go get my bolster. Let's put a use to that thing. Ah, it's fine. You guys see that? Hey, it'll just set right in there. All right, let's keep going. Okay. Yeah, there's one screw that's smaller. The rest of these are like 1/4 20, I think. And this one's like 10/24. I have no idea why. Is whiz. Okay. See? Alright. There's our bolts. Now, shoot, I need my dead blow hammer. Hang on. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the temp isn't too bad with this heater by me. It's not the worst. Man, she stuck on there. I got them all right. I think so. Yeah, they're all gone, I think. Well, see how we're gonna get this off. I guess it glued itself on there pretty good. All right, well, when I get this off, we'll come back. Hang on. All right, it just took a couple of good smacks with the hammer. Whoa, no! I don't know what all that was. All right. There we go. Dang. That gasket ripped off in a bunch of places. Alright, let's clean this gasket off. Ah, scheisse. This is gonna take a while. Like I said, the Cometic gasket's gonna be worth it just for this. We'll bring you guys back. Hang on. Alright guys, so we got this thing scraped down, and I got the new gasket in place, and I'm starting to bolt it up. Let me flip the camera on and we'll show you. Hang on. Alright, let's see if we can get this back in here and get this clutch working. Right now I'm just going through my bolts. Whew, man, it's chilly when you're away from the heat. Alright, so far so good. Let's send it to time lapse. See me get this finished. All right, this went pretty good. If you're gonna replace your gasket, if you're gonna bust into your primary, just get the Cometic gasket, because if you ever have to go back in, you're gonna be sorry. If you know what I mean. All right, there we go. So now we've got to turn this screw in. Hang on, let me see if I can get you down here. All right, guys, so we got her back on. All we're gonna have to do is adjust this screw, and then we're gonna go till it bottoms out. We'll adjust this and get it into place, and then hopefully it works. So let me get you in the stand, and let's see what we're doing. Hang on. Let's try the clutch. Oh no! No! Ah, Jesus. Well, it didn't work. Yep, something ain't right. Alright. Well, now I gotta take it off again. See, this is why I went with the reusable gasket. Let me take this apart again and try to get this all in the right place, and we'll try it again. Hang on. Alright, guys. It took me like 3 tries to get this right. That's why it's worth the gasket. We got everything adjusted. You know, if you adjust the adjuster here too much, it will pop. The ramp will move and pop out. But you can see here. Okay, I can feel it. It's working. See, and you know, I already tightened this nut up. If you put your finger in here, hell, let's see if I can. Let me see if I can get you in the stand here, and you can kind of see what's going on. If you can, I'll put the screwdriver on the screw. There it is. Okay. Now that I pull this, you should see the screwdriver rotate. Can you see it? I'm trying to hold it still. It's turning and going in and out. It may be hard to see, but it's working. All right. Well, we got the clutch back where we wanted it. Thank God. Right? And that's working. Now I'm going to pull off the oil tank, because I have a feeling that the fitting, I bought 4 fittings now. It's supposed to be 1/8 inch NPT going into the top of the tank for the vent. But I'm discovering that it looks like it's metric, maybe? 6 by 1 millimeter. So I'm going to pull the oil tank off, and I'm going to use my thread gauge and verify, because all the other fittings that I bought, they don't even screw in, you know, not even a quarter turn. So it's telling me that it has to be metric, which is messed up, because this tank is supposed to be a direct replacement. So let me get that tank pulled off, and we'll get the thread checker, and we'll see what happens. Hang on a second. Alright, so I got a M6 by 1.0 here. That's this guy. And I bought this from Speedway. They do fuel stuff. This is supposedly 1/8 inch. Now, if we open up the Speedway one. Okay. Let's try that in here. Yeah, you see it only turns on there a quarter of a turn. No, it's not M6. Maybe it's M8. Alright, these ones that I was messing with, that was M8. And you can see that that's too small. So I think the next one is M10. Let's see here. Let's look at these. 3/8 24. Here's a 3/8 24. Ah, would you look at that? It's 3. Yeah. So I can get it. Let's see. half, half, 1.5. So it's like I can get it to thread in. It looks like it's 3/8 24. I wonder. So let's see. Starting right there. There's half a turn. There's 1 turn. 1.5 turns. So you can see that it looks like it's 3/8 24, which is annoying because it's supposed to be 1/8 NPT. So now let's set this aside. She's a beaut, Clark, and we'll get a 3/8 24 by 1/4 inch right angle for this. Hang on, let me move some of this stuff and I'll come right back. All right, guys. So I got the tank off. We figured out it's 3/8 24, so we can get the right fitting. Which is weird because it's supposed to be 1/8 NPT. Well, as far as I understand, looking in the book. But we got it figured out now. We did here. You can see. Oops. We got rid of the tins, so I gave them to my buddy, so his son can take a look at them. So we're gonna do the gas tank, the front fender, and the rear fender. So. Yeah, over the winter here we'll get them painted up, but other than that, you can see where's my heater? There's my heater. So this it says it's 26 outside right now, and in the wind it's like 15, so it's not bad in the with the door open and the heater on. He's got to sit real close to it, but yeah, as weather permits and time permits, I'll come back out here, and I don't know if I can. I mean, I've been out here for a couple hours now, so that's not too bad. But anyways, we will see you guys in the next one, and hopefully we'll make a little bit more progress. Easy.